Global Web Solutions is proud to present our web-based business management solution. This all-in-one solution provides a complete automated environment to manage organization workflow and assist case managers in managing any kind of assignment. With the business management system, you will have access to several modules to assist you in running your organization. Let's take a look at these power-packed modules. Our case system provides a complete automated environment to manage organization workflow and to assist case managers in managing any kind of assignment and workflow. You can access the system anytime, anywhere, and get real-time information. Place new cases, add notes, view transaction history, status of accounts, and much more. Let's take a quick look at the case system in more detail. Under your Case Management home, under the Local CMS tab, you will find Cases. Under that, there are three subcategories we're going to look at for the case system: General Case Summary, General Case Add, and General Case Add by Client. First, let's look at General Case Summary. This is where you'll go to see a summary table for the current cases. You can easily sort the categories by clicking on them. In the top right, you can also select a user to view just their cases. You can click on any case to view the details. Next, we have General Case Add. Here is where you will input all the information on a case. You will add case details, client information, costs, dates, assigned contacts, and more. Once a case is added, a new set of criteria will pop up. You can add and search existing creditors and subjects. You can view and edit status history, add notes, include attachments, create subcases, view, finalize, and invoice transactions, and send a case by email. Now let's look at the General Case Add by Client. Here you can add a case by client. You'll be able to select the client, fill in the specific information about the client's case, add the subject and creditor details, attach documents, and then add the case to the system. You will then be presented with the rest of the case details to fill in as needed. You can easily search both cases and subcases using our search feature. You will be provided several categories to conduct your case search. Your results will be displayed in a summary table. You can choose to sort the results by category, export the results to an Excel spreadsheet, or view the details of the case. To make it easy for you, we have provided a quick way to upload existing cases into the system. Under Batch Upload, you can upload cases, clients, leads, and much more to the system. All instructions are provided for upload. Under the tab Client and Vendors, you will find several tools to maintain records of all your contacts. You can add clients, search existing clients, upload client information, view detailed reports on clients, add vendors, search current vendors, and view an activity report by client. The case system also has an admin area for easy administration of the system. Let's take a quick look at some of those features. Under the Admin tab on the bottom left, you will find the Case Admin. Here is where you will search and add actions, steps, and transactions for the collection cases. Right below that, the Entity Admin will allow you to add different entity types. You can add new client, creditor, lead, subject, and vendor types quickly and easily. Our investigation system provides a cost-effective tool to help you coordinate your investigation team for seamless workflow. All information can easily be shared among other team members, including remote team members. Add, track, edit, and view investigation cases from anywhere. No need to lug confidential paperwork on the road. All case information can be accessed from our secure environment 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Let's take a look at some of the exciting features of our investigation system. Under your Case Management home, under the Local CMS tab, you will find Cases. Under that, there are three subcategories we're going to look at for the investigation system: Investigation Case Summary, Investigation Case Add, and Investigation Case Add by Client. First, let's look at Investigation Case Summary. This is where you will go to see a summary table of all the current investigation cases. You can easily sort the categories by clicking on them. In the top right, you can also select a user to view their cases. You can click on any case to view the details. Next, we have Investigation Case Add. Here is where you'll input all the information on a case. You can add case details, client information, and basic investigation information. Once a case is added, a new set of criteria will pop up. You can add and search existing creditors and subjects. You can view and edit status history, add notes, include attachments, create subcases, view, finalize, and invoice transactions, and send a case by email. Now let's look at Investigation Case Add by Client. Here you can add a case by client. You can select the client, fill in all the specific information about the client's case, add the subject and creditor details, attach documents, and add the case to the system. You will then be presented with the rest of the case details to fill in as needed. You can easily search both cases and subcases using our search feature. You will be provided several categories to conduct your case search. Your results will be displayed in a summary table. You can choose to sort the results by category, export the results to an Excel spreadsheet, or view the details of the case. To make it easy for you, we have provided a quick way to upload existing cases into the system. Under Batch Upload, you can upload cases, clients, leads, and much more to the system. All instructions are provided for upload. Under the tab Client and Vendors, you will find several tools to maintain records of all your contacts. You can add clients, search existing clients, upload client information, view detailed reports on clients, add vendors, search current vendors, and view an activity report by client. Entering and keeping track of subjects has never been easier. Under the Creditors Subject tab, you can add subjects, search subjects using several convenient search criteria, and run a detailed report. The investigation system also has an admin area for the easy administration of the system. Let's take a quick look at some of those features. Under the Admin tab, on the bottom left, you will find the Case Admin. Here is where you will search and add actions, steps, and transactions for the collection cases. Right below that, the Entity Admin will allow you to add different entity types. You can add new client, creditor, lead, subject, and vendor types quickly and easily. Our collection system is a complete system to manage the process of collection and assist case managers in assignments and workflow. Communicate via email to key people in a collection case, track all details of the case from open to close, and generate reports, all in one easy-to-use system. Let's take a look at the collection system so you can see what it can offer your company. Under your Case Management home, under the Local CMS tab, you will find Cases. Under that, there are three subcategories we're going to look at for the collection system: Collection Case Summary, Collection Case Add, and Collection Case Add by Client. First, let's look at Collection Case Summary. This is where you'll go to see a summary table of all current collection cases. You can easily sort the categories by clicking on them. In the top right, you can also select a user to view just their cases. You can click on any case to view the details. Next, we have Collection Case Add. Here is where you'll input all the information on a case. You will add case details, client information, and all basic collection information. Once a case is added, a new set of criteria will pop up. You can add and search existing creditors and subjects. You can view and edit status history, add notes, include attachments, create subcases, view, finalize, and invoice transactions, and send a case by email. Now let's look at Collection Case Add by Client. Here you can add a case by client. You will select the client, fill in the specific information about the client's case, add the subject and creditor details, attach documents, and then add the case to the system. You will then be presented with the rest of the case details to fill in as needed. You can easily search both cases and subcases using our search feature. You will be provided several categories to conduct your case search. Your results will be displayed in a summary table. You can choose to sort the results by category, export the results to an Excel spreadsheet, or view the details of the case. To make it easy for you, we have provided a quick way to upload existing cases into the system. Under Batch Upload, you can upload cases, clients, leads, and much more to the system. All instructions are provided for upload. Under the tab Client and Vendors, you will find several tools to maintain records of all your contacts. You can add clients, search existing clients, upload client information, view detailed reports on clients, add vendors, search current vendors, and view an activity report by client. Entering and keeping track of creditors and subjects has never been easier. Under the Creditors Subject tab, you can add creditors, search creditors using several convenient search criteria, and run a detailed report. You can do this for both clients and subjects. The collection system also has an admin area for easy administration of the collection system. Let's take a look at those features. Under the Admin tab on the bottom left, you will find the Case Admin. Here is where you will search and add actions, steps, and transactions for the collection cases. Right below that, the Entity Admin will allow you to add different entity types. You can add new client, creditor, lead, subject, and vendor types quickly and easily. Our intranet system is a great way for both large and small companies to open the lines of communication between employees. Let's first take a look at the different features our intranet system offers, and then I'll show you the admin area. Once you are in the case management system, you will see an intranet tab under the local CMS bar. When you open that up, you'll see several different submenus: Document Manager, Contact Manager, News Manager, Forum Manager, Company Calendar, and Newsletter. Let's go over these in a little more detail. The Document Manager allows you to create new folders to help organize the documents that you upload and store on the system. You can easily view all folders and documents within that system on the left. When you click on a folder, you will see all the documents within that folder on your right. You can easily create a new folder and upload documents in the Upload Documents area. You can also search for a document in the Search Documents area. Next, let's look at the Contact Manager. The Contact Manager allows you to generate a report containing contact details of clients, leads, vendors, and subjects. As you can see, you have many categories in which to narrow down your search. You can enter a name, email, select a company, and much more. Then simply hit Search. Scroll down to the bottom and you will find a Contact Details report. This report can be exported to an Excel spreadsheet or a PDF file. Next, we have the News Manager. The News Manager allows you to view any articles uploaded on the system by the administrator. All articles are summarized for your convenience. To read an entire news story, simply click the More button at the end of the summary. Now let's look at the Forum Manager. This is a great place to ask questions and collaborate with employees. You can post a topic, search by category, and easily add a new topic using the form provided. You can even be notified of a response by clicking the Notify Me button. Next, we have the Company Calendar. This is where you can post company events, meetings, holidays, and much more. Simply click on the event to get more details. And last, we have the Newsletter section. This area will allow all employees to easily download current and past company newsletters at their convenience. Now that we have seen the valuable features, let's take a quick look at the admin area for the intranet system. The admin area can be found on the left of the Case Management home under the Local CMS Admin. Under the Intranet tab, you'll find several categories: News Add, News Search, Event Add, Event Search, Forum Category, Newsletter Add, and Newsletter Search. News Add will allow you to write articles to be published to the news section of the intranet system. Just enter the article name, date, and description. The Event Add menu section allows you to add new events to the company calendar. You can enter an event name, start date, end date, and description. The Forum Category section allows you to add a new category for the intranet forum. It lists all current categories for easy reference and allows you to edit old categories. The Newsletter Add section allows you to add articles and create newsletters. First, click on Newsletter Add and hit Save to save a new newsletter. You can then click Add News and a screen will pop up allowing you to search news articles and add them to your newsletter. At Global Web Solutions, we understand the importance of correspondence and communication with clients. That is why we have developed a turnkey solution to help businesses create letters and send them out with a click of a mouse. The letter system allows you to store and configure a variety of templates for all business uses. Let's take a quick look at this innovative solution so you can see how it can create efficiency among employees and save you money. In the Case Management home, you will see the Letters tab located under the Local CMS menu on the left. Under that, you will see two submenus, Letter Search and Letter Generate. Let's first look at Letter Generate. The first thing you'll notice is the easy-to-use interface the letter system provides. Under Letter Parameters, you can select the type of letters you want to send, and the letter's information will automatically populate. You can then choose a company and add a reference number and a date for that letter. Under the Subject Parameters tab, you can type in the search box to search an existing subject to have it auto-fill in the information. If this is a new subject, simply fill in the information to create and save your new subject parameters. You will see that the body of the letter is already populated for you. You can also add or delete any information to this letter to create a customized message. Under Letter Email Parameters, you are able to easily send your letter by email. Simply fill out the information, customize the pre-populated email text if you wish, and then you're ready to go. You can choose to generate the letter or generate the letter and send an email. It's that easy. Finding past letters is a snap with our Letter Search feature. Under the Letters tab, select Letter Search. You will find a variety of search parameters for easy searchability. Once your search results come up, you can easily view details on each letter, view a PDF of the letter itself, or even export to an Excel document. Now let's look at the admin area for the letter system. Under your local CMS admin, you will find the Letter Admin tab. Here you can create a letter type and set parameters. First, let's look at letter type. Here you can easily view all the current letter templates you have created and edit them at any time. To create a new letter, simply name the letter, enter the body or description you want to appear in the letter, and how many copies you would like to print of that letter. Once you save, the new letter will automatically appear in your Letter Generation tab. Lastly, the Letters Parameter tab allows you to select parameters for each letter. You can set a default company, letter frequency, email text, and carbon copy email options. In today's global marketplace, you need to keep your sales team on track in order to compete. There is no better way than with our sales system. With our automated online system, you can define regional sales areas, track sales and incentives, send emails to clients from the road, and track current activity. All of this can be accessed 24 hours a day, 7 days a week from anywhere. Let's take a look at some of the features and benefits the sales and marketing system can offer you. On your case management home, under the local CMS tab, you will find the Sales and Marketing tab. Under that, you will see several different subcategories: Inquiry Ad, Inquiry Search, Lead Ad, Lead Search, Opportunity Ad, Opportunity Summary, and Opportunity Activity Summary. First, let's take a look at Inquiry Ad. The Inquiry Ad section is an online source to record information on an inquiry. You can record all the basic information, including name, company name, telephone, and address. Once you add your new inquiry, you can add notes and communicate via email about the inquiry. Next, we have the Inquiry Search. This is where you can search all inquiries within the system. You can search by date, company, name, and country. The search results will be presented in a summary table. You can then view the details on each inquiry by hitting View. Next, we have Lead Ad. Here you can enter all the information to keep track of leads. You can select lead type, fill in the appropriate information, including address and contact details, and then add the lead to the system. Now let's look at Lead Search. Search all the leads in the system by several convenient categories. The results will come up in a summary table. You can click to view the details on any lead from this table. Next, let's look at Opportunity Ad. Opportunity Ad allows you to input details on sales opportunities. You can select an opportunity type, priority, name, source, probability, description, amount, open date, and lead attached to the opportunity. Once you add the new opportunity, you can check on the status history, view, edit, and add activities, and add attachments. The Opportunity Summary feature allows you to view all the opportunities on one convenient summary table. View the name, type, date opened, lead attached to the opportunity, and more. You can click on an opportunity to view the details and make changes. Last, we have the Opportunity Activity Summary. This is where you can get an at-a-glance look at all the activities within an opportunity. You can view the opportunity and the other details about the activity quickly and efficiently. To edit an activity, simply click on the opportunity to make the changes. Now that we have seen the front end of the Sales and Marketing feature, let's take a quick look at the Admin area. Under the Local CMS Admin tab, you will see the Sales Admin area. Under that, you will see several subcategories: opportunity types, opportunity sources, opportunity parameters, and inquiry parameters. Let's take a quick look at these admin features. Opportunity types is where you can quickly add an opportunity type and edit existing ones. Opportunity sources is where you can add a new opportunity source and edit existing ones with a click of a mouse. Opportunity parameters is where you can set the defaults for your opportunities, including type, status, priority, and more. Lastly, we have the inquiry parameters. Here you can set defaults for the communication, set email text, and include an email autoresponder. The project system provides an automated environment to manage projects and assist employees with the management of projects. With the project system, you will have a consolidated source for project management, streamlining workflow, and creating a well-organized team. Within the case management system, under the local CMS tab, you will see the projects category. Under that, you have a few subcategories: project add, project summary, and activity summary. First, let's take a look at project add. Project add allows you to easily create a new project. You can select a project type, priority, name, description, open date, and a client. Once you add the project, you will get a detailed view. You can check on the status history, take a look at the activities and easily add a new activity, add attachments for the project. You can also view and edit transactions for this project, easily create new transactions for the project, invoice, or finalize the transaction. Now let's look at the project summary feature. This is a great place to get an at-a-glance look at the projects within the system. You can easily reference the project number, name, type, open date, client, when it was last updated, the priority, and the status. You can click on any project to view the details and make changes to that project. Next, we have the Activity Summary tab. Here you can view all the activity on the project. You can view the priority set, due dates, activity name, users tied to the project, and the status. And of course, you can click on any project to view details and make updates to that project. Now that we've seen the front end of the project system, let's take a look at the admin area so you can see how easy project automation can be. Under the local CMS admin area, you will see the Project Admin tab. Under that, you will see project type, project parameters, and project transaction types. Let's first take a look at project type. Here is where you can quickly add a new project type to appear in the project type drop-down menu. Below, you can view a summary of all project types you have in the system, which you can edit at any time. Next, we have project parameters. This is where you can set the default parameters for the project. You can set type, status, priority, and the activity status and priority. And lastly, let's look at project transaction types in the admin area. Just like the project type category, you can quickly add a new transaction type as well as reference a current transaction type and edit them. Our financial system is the perfect way to automate your accounting department quickly and easily. Track income and expenses 24 hours a day, 7 days a week from anywhere, all within our secure online environment. Let's take a quick look at some of the exciting features our financial system can offer you. Under your Case Management home, under the Local CMS tab, you will find the Financials category. Under that, you will see 4 subcategories: Invoice Search, Invoice Generate, Invoice Unpaid Update, Payment Search, and Payment Generate. Let's first take a look at the Invoice Search feature. The Invoice Search feature allows you to quickly and easily search invoices by a number of convenient categories. Search by invoice number, date range, type, company, and more. Your search results will be displayed in a summary table, and you can choose to print the invoices or export the results to an Excel spreadsheet. Next, let's look at the Invoice Generate feature. This easy-to-use interface allows you to generate an invoice and take advantage of some time-saving features. You can select from a list of invoice types, all of which can be customized to your needs. You can select a client and have it auto-fill in the client's information, fill in customized payment and cost information, tie a sales agent to the sale, and email it, all within this easy-to-use form. Next, we will look at Invoice Unpaid Update. Here you can easily update the payment status for your invoices. We have included an invoice search feature within this category, so you can easily search for invoices without having to leave the Unpaid Update section. You simply type in the invoice number, a reference, and the date it was paid, and it will automatically update the information in the system. Next, let's look at payment search. Just like the invoice search feature, you have many parameters to search for a payment. You can then choose to print the results or export to an Excel spreadsheet. Now let's look at the Payment Generate tab. With this valuable tool, you can create a payment in less than a minute and have it linked to everything within your financial system. You can select a type of payment, choose a vendor to pre-populate the information, change tax information, and much more. You can choose to generate the payment or generate and email the payment. Now that we have seen the front end of the financial system, let me take you through a quick preview of the admin area. Under the local CMS Admin tab, you will see the Financials Admin section. Here you will see Invoice Parameters, Invoice Type Add, Invoice Type Search, Invoice Payment Type, Payment Parameters, Payment Type Add, and Payment Type Search. Invoice Parameters allows you to set defaults for your invoices, such as invoice type, company, email, text, and more. Invoice Type Add lets you create a new type of invoice to appear in the Invoice Type dropdown. Invoice Payment Type lets you create new payment types. As you can see, we provide a list of current types in your system for easy reference and editability. Payment Parameters allows you to set the default parameters for your payment types. And lastly, the Payment Type allows you to add payment types that appear in your payment system. As you can see, our business management software provides all the tools to create a comprehensive solution for your company. And guess what? You can do it all in just one day. But don't take our word for it. Try our demo site for yourself, absolutely free. That's right, see the power of our business management software for yourself. Contact us today to give it a test drive. You have nothing to lose. Global Web Solutions, the leader in the development and delivery of web-based products.